Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back finally with a new video. Happy New Year. I hope you all had an amazing Christmas. I'm sorry it's taken me so long to get back into it. I just was struggling, like a really bad January blues. I've spoken about this on my Instagram. I just struggle with January. I don't know what it is. I know it's stupid. It is just another month, but I just can't deal with it for some reason. This shirt's really noisy. So it's like a faux leather shirt, so sorry about that if it's really annoying. Hopefully it's not. And also I'm in a new background. The only way I thought I could get over this kind of January blues hole was to revamp my studio and my settings. So I've actually redecorated one half of the room, which is behind me. Let me know if you like it. I mean, it's not completely finished, and this was actually really hard to set up for filming, so I haven't fully decided on where I'm going to film on this wall yet, but I do like it. What do you think? It's like new shelving. I've got a nice concrete wall behind me now. So yeah, I thought I could do more fashion videos and styling videos. So I wanted a full wall. And I'm really rambling. This is not about that. This video is about a highly requested subject, which is how to add cool text onto your Insta stories. I do this quite a lot, and you guys ask all the time, so I thought I would share it with you. So I'm just going to record my phone screen and put it next to me here. Okay, so it's so easy, honestly guys, it's like this, so easy, and it's so freaking cool. Like, you're gonna just love me for this. Like, you're literally gonna love me. You better love me, because it's, I think, a really good tip. Okay, basically, you're gonna use the app InShot, which is this one right here. You guys know I talk about this app all the time. It's honestly the best app in my opinion for editing Insta stories. If you want to be creative basically, and you don't want to just use the generic templates which everyone and their dog uses, then InShot to me is the most like customizable, that you can make it like really cool and make them your own, which is why I love it. So if I open InShot, let me open up a video. You can obviously do some video or photo. Okay, let me open up this coffee one because I did do it on this one. So this was just a coffee, so this is what it looks like. Let me just turn the sound off. So this is what it looks like just as is. Is my brightness down? No. This is what it looks like as is. So I would go ahead and put my filter on it, and I'll also bring the brightness up a bit because it was a bit dark. And I might add some convex as well. Let's just turn it down a bit. So that is just the norm of what I do, and if you don't know that, you can watch my other videos on those quick tips I just went through. Then all you're going to do is you're going to go to text. Okay, so then you want to type in text, so let's just say, but first coffee. I think it's got a comma, isn't it? Is it after but first? But first coffee. Okay, so you can see right now this actually has a text on it. You can't really see it that well because it's black. Let me make it white. So this is another text that I have, which I only just recently downloaded, so I've only just started using this one, so you may not have seen it. But if you go to this one here, this has all your text fonts in it. It comes with, like when you get InShot, it obviously comes with some fonts. So I think it comes with from system down, so these ones here. So quite a few, but not loads. And then I've downloaded them. So from system up, I downloaded. So I have this one, I have this one, which is pretty cool. And then I have the more scripted ones, like these. The one that you really like is this one here. This is the one that I always get the most comments, like DMs about when I post this particular font. So you can see I have them all. You don't have them. Why? Okay, so what you need to do is you need to come out of there, and you need to go onto Safari, a font website. So the one that I think is the best is this one, 1001 fonts. And then you can see there's loads and loads of fonts here. So you can go into show font categories, and then you can look at like categories of a particular font that you might want. So say for example I wanted, let's go, it'd be quite nice to actually find a new one. Let's go for handwriting, because I do like those. Let's go for masculine handwriting, because I don't actually know what that would look like. So just click on the category, and then this is what you have, okay? So like this one's quite cool. So if you liked this one, you just click on it. It's going to give you a demonstration of what it looks like. And then if you go down to here where it has the thing here at the bottom and click this TTF, click, and then it's going to come up like this, and it's going to say open with InShot. Only if you already have the InShot app. Obviously it's only going to come up like that if you already have the app. I obviously do. So I'm going to open with InShot. It's going to open InShot and say import successful. And then this is now the font. And it will stay on there. So now I have this font added to my InShot and I can use it anytime I want. Okay. I mean, isn't that just the best? So yeah, that's what I've done for all these. I actually really like that one. That's really cool. But I think for this one, I actually like this as well. It's like typewriter with some like smudgy bits. So you could use it like that. Okay? Super freaking cool. Obviously you can do that as many times as you like. You can scroll through and like this website. Let me just go back. Anyway, you can see there's loads. Like even just this one category, which was masculine handwriting, has, I mean, it has over 7 pages. Yeah, okay, it has 7 pages. So like there's loads of fonts on here. I don't know if there's 1,000 fonts. I think there's over 1,000 fonts because that's why the website's called 1,000 fonts maybe. I don't know, but they have loads. So you could literally just scroll for days and download loads of different styles of fonts to suit whatever you want to use it for. So yeah, super cool. The other thing you can do, which you guys ask, is you can create like not a transition, but like an animated text almost. So again, going back into this text, you click on this thing here that's like a slidey thing that's moving. So you click on that, and then here you have some transitions. So if we go for this one, it will like fade it in. Did you see? Slowly fades in. Or you can do this one and it will, wait, I put that a little bit too slow, hold on. So this one, it like zooms in, this one, it like zooms out almost. This one will slide in from one side, this one will come in from the other side. The one I use most is this one, because it's almost like it appears almost like it's typing, but not quite. I wish they had one that was more like typing. Like this one, I still think is really, really cool. It fades in, so that's the in. You can also have the out, so you can have it going out the same way, or you could have it going out, so in, and then coming out the other way. So really cool. So once you've done it, it would look like this. And then once you get near the end, we don't need to watch the whole thing, it would then disappear. So that is how I do it. You can add multiple texts, so if you just want to add more text, just click add more text, type again, write something else. Super, super easy to use, super simple, like a great way to customize your Insta stories to make them more your own, so everyone's doesn't look the same, because that's so freaking boring. This is Tashie from the future. I just wanted to quickly jump on here and let you know that if you didn't know that the app Unfold, you can also do this kind of your own customized text on. I don't personally use it, so I forgot to mention it in the video when I was filming it, but there is some decent ones on here. I just don't personally use them because, as I said, I feel like everyone uses Unfold, but you just literally click on that little button, type in what you want to type, and then you can then go ahead and edit the text. So just type in what you want to put. I'm going to put in this view though. You can't see it right now because it's black, but you can change the fonts up here. Actually, let me just change this to white so you can see it better, because you can't really see it when it's black like that, can you? So we just make it white. Okay, there you go, you can see it better. Okay, so there's loads of fonts on here, so you can see, you can just click through them all. There is a lot on here, and they are pretty cool. You can also press this button and have like a background, not a background, you know, like a, what would you call this? A background, a frame? A board, I don't know, you know what I mean, you can see what I mean. You can make it bigger or smaller, you can make it spaced apart or not spaced apart. You can like change how close together each line is, like everything. You can change everything in this basically to fit it exactly how you want. So it is pretty customizable. Just obviously the fonts that you get, just bear in mind that everyone that uses Unfold, which is a lot of people, also have these fonts, which is why I personally prefer InShot, and it's what I wanted to share with you because it's just way better. So anyway, I just thought I would let you know that that is the other option if you like the app Unfold. So that's everything for this video, guys. I really hope that was helpful. I really think you guys are going to like this video, so give it a thumbs up if you did, as that really does help me out. Don't forget to also click that subscribe button, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Waving with my phone.